Alright, so I have this from HardRacing, this little shifter support. I'm not sure if this is going to do anything or not, but I'm going to stick it in anyways. There's a shifter on this engine, monkey bike. It's kind of vague, you know. I think that's an internal thing, but hopefully maybe this thing will help with the shift feel basically. So it comes with obviously the support bracket, right? And it goes on like this. The shifter spindle right here, we go through there. There's these two holes. That's for these two bolts here. There's one right here, and there's another one right here. And the two extension bolt and a little spacer, because because there's gonna be a gap here, obviously. So got that. All right. So before you get started on this, before you take everything off, be mindful of where your shifter is. A little oil here from when I have the cover off. Be mindful of where your shifter is, as far as what the level of it in relation to the peg. So I just eyeball it, feel it. Okay, so I know where it is. That way later on when I put it back together, it gets to the same level. Otherwise, if it's even one tooth off, it's a difference. So I don't have to mess around with it. So just take out this 10mm right here. That's a 10mm. And how the shifter, how the linkage works. Is the shifter's right here, right? That's where the support is. That's where it pivots from. But down there, below that, there's a connection. There's a little connecting rod right here. Connects up to here and up to this part. So that's why I think one of the reasons why the shifter feels kind of sloppy is because of that. Because it's like extra parts, extra connections, gives it kind of a sloppy feel. So I think that's the reason why. But I could be completely wrong. So let's drop that down. Good there. Wipe this shaft clean. Wipe this clean. Alright, wipe that clean. So good there. Just kind of put a little mark on this. And yep, so that's how it goes. So it's definitely these two bolts down here. So this thing is actually a roller bearing. So let's look at this thing. You see the little aluminum spacer right in here? And I roll it out, you actually see the bearing. See that? There's a roller bearing. And it seems to be lubed, as far as I could tell. I don't see any grease in there. It's probably just oil instead of grease. Yeah, it's mostly oil. Anyways, so it has a like an O-ring seal on both sides, so it should stay clean. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna add any grease to it. So now I need to take out these two bolts, and those ones are 8mm. Here and right here. So these two bolts are part of the bolts that hold the case together. Yeah, the case could split in two. And the case, obviously is what holds the transmission in, the crank and the transmission. Oops. Nope, not off yet. one's off. This one's off. See the lengths. The lengths are the same. So same length. You can compare that to the new one. See how much of a difference there is. Huge difference. Okay, got everything out. Slip this in. Slip this in there. Goes in like so. There's no spacer or nothing on the other side. It just kind of just sits there. Put one spacer behind the mounting bracket. Side bolt, other spacer behind the other mounting bracket. Slide the mounting bolt in. This one's a little tricky because it seems like the foot peg is right in the middle of the way. God damn it, the foot peg is right in the middle of the way. Let's try this one out. Give it some more slack on this side. Oh come on, I'm right there. Damn it. Oh come on, I was right there. Let's see. Let's try this angle. Nope, that angle's not gonna work. This is the only angle right here. Let me just get this. Just fit in right there. Damn it, it's right there too. Oh come on, god damn it, it's like right there, literally right there. Check this out. It's right. It's being hung up right there. So I'm gonna have to wiggle. Wiggle. A little bit right here. Seems like it's also hanging up on the case too, because it's kind of the case hole where it goes through. The case hole is like that. Instead of going straight in, it's like kind of cockeyed, so it's kind of like this as well. That's what it feels like to me. Let's see. Man, I can't get this in. I don't necessarily want to force it. This thing is getting hung up. Let's see. How's it getting hung up? Yeah, it's getting hung up. Yeah. Both ends. Both ends. If I could clear this, it'd straighten out, but then it's bottoming out on that end. So this kind of sucks. So let me see, what would I do? What would I do? I might have to I'm gonna have to loosen up this plate here. This plate here, so that way I could basically pivot it off of the swing arm bolt. Yeah, that's what I have to do. Okay, well, looks like it's a little bit more complicated than it originally intended, huh? Dang, it's like literally right there too. Let's see if I can just push it real fast. Maybe I just push it in a little bit. Oh, dang it. Nope. Nope. Oh shit. God damn it. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh shit, now my shit's hung up. It's hung up by the threads. It's hung up by the threads. God dang it. Maybe I shouldn't try to push it in. I think it's hung up like one thread. One thread is like hung up on the case right there. God damn it. Okay, definitely have to take this off. All right, so stay tuned for part 2. I need to get the tools to get these two bolts out.